Okay, hi everyone. So what I'm going to be doing next is we are going to go over all of the questions and overall wrap up what we've learned today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen, and while I'm sharing my screen, we're going to go over the energy diagram for the ice cream in a bag experiment. So hopefully what you guys have done is you have all drawn this picture or this diagram of our heat interaction. If you haven't, please pause the video and draw this. Okay, now we're going to continue. So while we're thinking about the heat interaction, the first thing that I like to do is look at the energy giver and energy receiver. So in these diagrams, there's always going to be something giving away energy, and there's always going to be something gaining energy. So if we look back to the ice cream in a bag and we think, what seemed to lose its heat energy? Was it the ice or was it the ice cream mixture? And the answer is the ice cream mixture. So the ice cream mixture, the smaller bag, it started off as a super warm liquid. And then as the interaction progressed, it got super cold and it lost all its heat. So then what received the energy? And the answer for this would be the ice cubes. So the ice cubes received the energy from the ice cream mixture, which allowed it to melt. So the ice cream mixture gave its heat to the ice cubes. Okay, so now if we think to the bottom left, right down here, there needs to be a decrease in something for the ice cream mixture. And like we just said, the ice cream mixture went from going hot to being cold. So what did it lose? It lost its thermal energy or its heat. Okay. So then if we think that the ice cream mixture lost its heat, then what did the ice cubes gain? What allowed the ice cubes to increase, or what allowed the ice cubes to melt? And that would be thermal energy. Okay, so remember, nothing is ever created or destroyed. Okay, it's just transferred. All right, now we have the question, why salt? What was the importance of putting salt in the bag? Now, there's something super cool that salt does. So when we put the salt in the bag with the ice, it does something very special. Salt lowers the freezing point of the ice. So that means that the ice, it wants to melt now. So the salt lowers the freezing point, causing the ice to want to grab heat energy from other sources to allow it to melt. And in our interaction, the closest thing to the ice was that warm bag of milk. So for the ice to melt, the heat was taken from the small ice cream mixture bag, and that's what happened. So that is why we use salt. Okay, so overall, what did we learn? We learned the different states of matter today. We learned solids, liquids, and gases. And we know that in order to change these states of matter, we either need to add heat energy or we need to take away heat energy. Okay, and we learned about heat interactions, and we found a way to draw these heat interactions in a diagram, which was the picture that we drew. But there's one more thing that we learned. What could it be? What is it? What is it? I just want to know. Don't you guys want to know? Ice cream, you scream. We all love ice cream. Today we learned how to make ice cream. Okay, so now that we are done with our presentation, you all now know the skills and steps to make ice cream. So at the end of this video and presentation, we have a link that gives you all of the directions and ingredients and overall instructions for you to make ice cream, okay? And also, This presentation was brought to you by Spencer. Hi, I'm Spencer, and Bailey Grant. And our contact information is going to be at the end of this presentation. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. All right, have fun making ice cream.